This Miss Lewis. Back again, Module 5, the I Can Do It Module, Week 3, Lesson 11. And as you guys know, I always work with you on phonics and phonological awareness. Today we're going to introduce the letter E and meet our friend, alpha friend, Ethel Elephant. Let's see what Ethel has going on. All right. Letter E.
Whenever Ethel Elephant exercises, everyone joins in. Let's do elephant exercises. Ready? Let's begin. Stretch from end to end. Find your elbows. Make them bend. Find your legs. Get ready. Get set. Now stomp, stomp, stomp. Faster than a jet. Let's go!
Ethel is moving.
Stop faster. We're not done yet. Go, Ethel. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Whenever Ethel Elephant exercises, everyone stomps around. So listen for the exercises with a short E sound. Stretch from end to end. Find your elbows. Make them bend. Find your legs. Get ready. Get set. Now stomp, stomp, stomp. Faster than a jet. Let's go. Make the whole ground shake.
Okay, Ethel.
That's a really good stomping. Yeah. We're not done yet. Keep going, and stop. No more elephant exercises. Now let's take a rest.
Alrighty, so we met Ethel Elephant, our alpha friend for the letter E, and she mostly was stressing the short E sound. So here we are now, and we're going to work on the letter E. I have to make it a little bit smaller. There you go. So let's do some writing. Let's learn how to write the uppercase and lowercase e. And the Ethel Elephant is telling us, curve your lowercase e around in one smooth stroke. So listen up. If you do what I tell you, practice it, it'll come out nice and neat. So let's get a good, I want to get a blue so you can see it. Let's say uppercase E, top to bottom, lift your pencil at the top, slide over, at the dotted, slide over, at the bottom, slide over. My pen is kind of wacky, guys. Uppercase E, top to bottom, lift your pencil, at the top, slide over, at the dotted, slide over, at the bottom, slide over. Okay? Lowercase e, you start just below the dotted, curve up to the dotted, down to the bottom. Guys, my pen is out of whack, I'm sorry. Lowercase e, out, curve up, curve down. All right, so let's read these words. Let egg, met et, and re ed. They all have the middle short E sound. All right, let's trace the word leg. L, E, G. Look at my G. It's not standing up on that line, okay? We don't want that. We want it to sit on the line. So leave some space, come out a little bit, and write the word leg one more time. L, E, G. Next word, met. M, E, T. Slide over. M. You start with lowercase letters, you're working from the dotted to the bottom on your small letters and your fall letters. Okay? Now, T is a tall, so you go from top to bottom. Met. Next word is red. R, E, D. Leave some space. R, E, and D. Okay? Now let's read this sentence. Ed, fed, 10 hens. All with the letter E. What kind of letter begins a sentence? An uppercase letter, so here you have an uppercase E. And what goes at the end of a sentence? A telling sentence, a period. So let's trace Ed, fed, Guys, my pen is off. I'm so sorry. 10 hens. Always leave some space between your words. And make sure you have a period at the end. Guys, just a period. Not a big empty circle. Not a meatball. Not something you can't see. But a period will do just fine. Okay? So get that straight. Now, let's write it on your own. And if you don't have a popsicle stick or anything to show you how to leave your spaces, just write your words exactly under the other words, and your spacing will come out fine. Ed, fed, 10 hens. Period. Okay? So there you've practiced writing the uppercase and lowercase e. Alrighty. So let's go here. See what's next for us. Let's clear this off. And this time, let Miss Lewis clear it again. We're going to be working with the words. So we have a picture back this time, guys. Short E and long E. Drag the picture to the matching vowel E sound. Let's review the short E sound. Eh. As in red. Ed. Long E. E. When the letter is making the long sound, it's saying its name. Long E. Will. Ill. So we have some pictures here. And what we're going to do is drag the picture to the matching sound. Okay? Alright, so what about, let's start with bell. B-L. Short E or long E? Short. So you grab your bell and you drag it over. Good. Peach. P-E, each. That goes with the long E. Very good. What about bed? Bed. I think I'm going to put it here with the wheel and the peach. That's not right, is it? Wheel, peach, bed. No, but what about bed, red, and bell? Exactly. Let's drag it a little farther over. There you go. What about desk? Very good. Short E. What about feet? Feet, E. Long E or short E? Long E. Good job. Good job. All right. Leaf. Lee. All right. That's the short E. Lee, red. No, what about Lee, and we eat? You hit very good. You hear that long E? Pull it back over. Sheep. Long E, good job. And the last one, hen. Red and hen. We're from the country. We say hen, but hen. Okay? It goes with the short E sound. So let's review. Short E, red, desk, bell, hen, bed. Long E, wheel, feet, peach, leaf, and sheep. Alrighty, so that's it for this one. Phonological awareness, short E and long E. We did a picture sort, okay? Alright, see you guys next time.